And this is my first time flying my new DJI FPV drone. Just came out a few days ago, really. Very excited, can't wait to try it out. It's a little bit windy today, so might be a bit of a challenge beyond it being my first time flying it. I would classify myself as more of a beginner when it comes to drones. This is my first, I would say, real drone. First drone by DJI for sure. You know, I've tried the little tiny ones, but those are cheap and they usually break. So hopefully this won't happen to this one. So I found a nice place, a lot of space to go ahead and give this a shot. So we'll see how it goes. Enjoy the ride. One of the things that I love about this drone, when you turn it on, check this out. Vibrates, makes a cool noise. Very cool. Alright guys, let's do this. Whoa. Very clean imagery.